What's going on, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy, and today we got a banger of a video showcasing my best trades this week that netted me over $1,300, which I will show you guys live after an in-depth analysis as to why I took these trades. So quickly, if you guys enjoy the video and find some value, drop me a sub, drop me a like, drop me a comment about the trades. I want to know how well do you guys think I executed these bad boys. So without further ado, let's get into the trades. Okay, so let's get into the first trade here, which is on Meta. And we could actually start here on the daily chart, but let's talk about this first. I mean, Meta had a huge gap up after this earnings, and this thing has been on a tear ever since the start of the year. Everything in the market has been on an absolute tear, but Meta, man, what a move. So obviously this had big potential for a play, especially with the way we've been holding this little bottom here, trying to curl back up. But let me show you exactly why I took the play when I did. So we could drill this down to the 184-hour chart. And as you can see, again, just a different chart. Meta was getting those higher lows in, just stair-stepping up. But in this zone, there's no trades until the day that I traded it, because it had a big break and retest zone around this 238 level. So we can actually drill this down to the 1 hour so you can see more clearly what I'm talking about. And this zone had a lot of interactions here. It was the high of the gap up, but more importantly, it came down to this low after its high and then use it as a break and retest to the downside. And when I saw Meta break this zone and then try and hold it, that was my sign that maybe the next day we can get some momentum. And that same day, if we bring it back to the daily, this was the day that we traded it. Look at this 3-bar play flag break setup above the demand zone here. I mean, everything, especially from a daily perspective, looked fantastic. We were back above the 9, so now we could drill it down to the 5-minute, and this is where we traded it. Look at this hold here, the first 2 minutes of the day. Technicals played out perfectly, so now hopefully you guys can see what I was looking at with this trade. So let's roll the clip. All right, fellas, back on Wednesday. Let me show you TOS real quick. ES is getting above this downtrend, and NQ has supply up here. This is going to be super interesting. We are also looking at Meta for a trade. A lot of volatility coming into this thing before the open, so if we can catch this, that'd be great. Let's see. And we are open. Let's get ready for Meta here. I'm liking the 3-bar play. Great hold of these MAs. Oh my god, it's going to go already. I'm going to take it. I'm in. I'm buying Meta. Oh, there we go. Look at the pop. Holy crap. We needed that. Good stuff. All right, we're through the flag now. Nice. Holy crap. We're up a decent amount here. We want to break 240. That's the next line in the sand right here. New 1 minute. Okay. Back up 100. Got to get over those Bollingers. Come on, Meta. The play is so good. We bounced right off of a big level, too, that I wanted to see it at. Let's get some momentum. Jesus Christ. We have this maybe, if it wants to do it. This is the last minute in the 5. I'll close stronger, please. New 5-minute. Dude, this is so bad. Wow, I mean, if it bounces here, I mean, my stop loss is going to be this. Dude, this thing might work out. Okay, Meta. All right, we're back to break even. It bounced right off of the level. Oh my gosh, here we go. One more try. Nice, we're about to get a close here. New 1. We got rising volume. That's nice. See this? Come on, turn green. Nice. Oh my gosh. All right, we should be actually back in the green. All right, we're green on the day now. Back up 100. Jesus, man. This play is insane right now. Okay, Meta. There's the strength. Okay, look at the markets as well. New 1. Don't fail us now. Nice. Need to see increasing volume still. Okay, here we go. Now it's starting to come in. We're over 2 on the contracts. That's great. Up 250 now. So far, so good. Here we go. Trying to break the high on the day. Nice. Nice. Just bust through it. New 1 minute. Hugging right against the Bollingers. We got to get over those. It's setting up a beautiful breakout on the 5-minute as well. No, we don't stop here. There you go. Can we do a red to green? I don't want to close that low. Oh my gosh. Are you for real, Meta? Are we doing this? All right, new 5-minute is open. I mean, this is the play. Do it. Do it. Come on, Meta. Let's go. We got to break that 240. Setting up a perfect breakout right now. Nice. New 1's about to open. This is it. Let's go, Meta. Oh, bang. Look at that. Through highs on the day. Come on, let's keep going now. Let's reach for that 240. We're up $400 on these. That's so nice. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Look at the surges. Yes, hunting for that 240. Waiting for the break. I want to sell 5 on the break of that. Look at this. 240. It's right there. Nice. One more big break. I'm going to sell half. Come on, you got it. You got it. Look at the volume. One more. One more. Here we go. Boom. Look at that. Selling 5 there. What a move, Meta. Are you kidding me? Wow, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful move. Let's see how high we can get. So we're breaking highs of, let's see, Monday. I want to see if we can hold above that. Right now, we're under it. However, I'm seeing the markets kind of move down here, but Meta might just want to have a mind of its own. Let's see if we can get a 3-bar play here. Yeah, back down. All right, we might want to sell this. I'm going to take it off. Look at the market. That's not a good sign. So yeah, good sell there, it looks like. But what a trade. Clear momentum. Huge push through 240. That was insane. 630 bucks. What a trade. And yeah, guys, what a clutch hold that was, right? I mean, that's exactly why opening ranges are so important. And lucky for us, we had a super strong level underneath. So Meta tagged it again and ran it up. But now let's get into trade number 2, which we took on Netflix this Thursday. And what a move this was. I mean, as soon as I saw the pre-market chart this morning, I knew we were going to get a play on this, and we sure did. So let's dive into the technicals. So we can honestly start on the 5-year chart, and we could zoom in here and you can see this gap fill as well from a year and 1 month ago, which Netflix finally wanted to get back above again. And as you can see here, nice bounce off of that level. But the main reason we even got a jump here was because of the recent news headlines saying that Netflix's new ad-supported tier has grown to 5 million users, which the market went crazy for. And that number carried so much weight because one of the main metrics that this industry cares about is subscriber growth. And that number has been declining since the start of last year, or 2 years ago, honestly, which was the culprit for this ginormous sell-off of 80%. So now you can imagine what good news on subscriber growth can do for this stock. But now let's jump into what I saw this morning, which made me want to take this play. And that was another break and retest zone once again, which is right around this 345, 346 area. And as you can see, once Netflix pushed above it, we did get a lot of reactions here, even represented by these highs here, this recent swing high here as well. But let's drill it down to the 5-minute chart and look at where it opened up, right smack dab on that level. But that wasn't the only thing that made me so confident. If we flip back to the daily here, it was actually this gap fill right at 350.31, which is basically close to that whole dollar psychological number. And that level, even though it's tried to reach it twice here, hasn't actually filled it for about 3 months until today. So we can flip back to the 5-minute chart. Actually, we can go 1 minute. And honestly, when I saw it this morning, the stars really aligned for this play. I mean, look at this. Just an incredible demand hold. We went from red to green. We even had a small flag break here. And then, like I said, again, that 350 whole dollar psychological number was there for the taking. I mean, the news and everything, it was just perfect. And I'm still thinking about it because I honestly should have walked away with like 5 grand because my entry was so good. I'm for real gonna have nightmares about this, but the trade was still unreal. So let's roll the clip. All right, fellas, back on Thursday. Incredible trade yesterday. And actually, believe it or not, I did find time to catch a trade on SPY, so we made a quick 80 bucks on that. We finished the day up over 700. Thankfully, we caught some upside, but yeah, big breakout on the overall market as well, outside of that downtrend. We do have a few things to look at here. A lot of things gapping up, namely Netflix, and that has a big gap fill that I wanted to see it at, and Tesla as well. Let's see what we can get. And we are open. I would like Netflix to pull back at least. This gap fill that I wanted to see it above is 350. This thing getting bid up again. Oh, geez, I'm going to take it. I'm in here on Netflix. I don't think we stop here. All right, Netflix. Yo, we are catching these moves like right out of the gates. This is crazy. And we're off. We're going to make more than yesterday. This is insane. Oh my gosh, Netflix. What a breakout on the flag break. 350. Right here. We want it. 350. We're gonna break 1,000. This is crazy. Don't stop here. Do not stop here. We need more. There we go. There we go. One more push. I'm gonna sell 5 on the break of that. Wow. Closes under. I'm gonna sell 5 just in case. That's a big dip. Oh my gosh. I'm actually pissed I sold there. But 350, what a move. Thank you, Netflix. Let's go. So we just hit the gap fill. Do we get some more continuation off of that? This thing is stalling a little bit. All right, I'm going to take it off. That's a good enough trade for me. And there it goes. Jeez, what a beast of a trade. 710 on that. We were up over 1,000. That candle scared me. That's unfortunate, but nice trade. Oh my God. And those were the 2 trades, 2 absolute behemoth trades, even though, I mean, right now, if I held all of my contracts, I'd probably be up like 20 grand, which is just a mind-boggling number, considering I've only put in about 2,000. I mean, that's what the market can do for you guys. It is a lucrative place if you know what you're doing and you're patient. I just wish I was more patient, but that's the market, man. Once that bell rings in the morning, things could be different. But I'm still thankful for the trades that I did take. And yeah, on to the next. And that's going to be it for this video, fellas. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one and found some value. If you did, don't hesitate to hit that sub button if you want more content like this. We are on the road to 10K. Drop a like on the video too. Let's see if we can hit 75 likes. But let me know your overall thoughts on the trades as well in the comments below, and I will see you fellas next week. Take it easy.